Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 71. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wenshan, back then, since Shu Shao has been known that she might be well caught by her father. Of course, she's been terrified and knows that she need to do something. What's wrong? Wenshan suddenly said to Shushao. Shushao said, Wenshan, let's escape. She know to herself back then that she's been followed. Let's find a place to give birth to the children and raise them together. We don't want the child. Let's go to the another place and have it take it out. The father said to her, there are so many people here knows that the doctors. I'm afraid to perform the surgery on me. Out there, the world is vast and we can live a good life as long as we have money. The world outside is not so beautiful, but if you want to go, I'm willing to. Well, Wenshan suddenly said to Shushao and said, good, you know where I am and who I am, don't you? Don't worry, the child will be fine. Well, it seems that she got really terrified back then. Now, on that day, Wenshan and Shushao, they really escaped. They're really willing to raise the child for the two of them and don't want to ask any support from the father and also from the husband. Find a suitable opportunity to eliminate that girl. The old Su said, yes, I must not let my daughter knows about this. Otherwise, she will be angry at me again. Well, the old Mr. Su said, it seems that he was really plotting something to get Wenshan eliminated and take away from Shushao. Well, a week later, the old Su, what? There's no trace has been found. He is really getting angry. At this moment, of course, he really wanted to eliminate Wenshan on that day, but it seems that it was not really possible because Wenshan and Shushao already escaped. Yes, it seems that they left the city A. Left the city A. Xiaoming seems to have been there recently. Check again. If he is alive, I want to see him in person. If he is dead, I want to see his body. The old Sus said. Well, finally, it's been take long, but the two of them are being free. They really escaped, and also, it seems that they're really getting well. After so many months, well, the two of them finally took birth, and also, Wenshan and Shushao has been living together happily. Nothing like me. The two of them are still talking. The two children has been raised as a sister. Wenshan, could it be that I have the wrong child? It seems that Yulian, she looks really different. That's why Shushao has been worrying about this. But Wenshan said, what nonsense are you talking about? Our Yulian is the cutest. Well, she was right. She looks really different. But after hearing that, Wenshan, she's been kissed by Shushao. I want a kiss too. First should I kiss you? You're not a baby. Wenshan suddenly said to Shushao. Well, it seems that the relationship of the two of them, it's really getting good. They're really kissing everywhere. Adults kiss more than baby. Wenshan said to Shushao. Well, at least, at this moment, they're really happy. In this way, with the help of my elder brother, Wenshan and I gave birth to the two daughters, one named Yulian and the other is Xiao Xiao. Yulian is slightly older than Xiao Xiao. I don't resist even, I want to pity you. Instead, he took a fan of things and stuffed them into Xiao Xiao's arm. When my daughters were a little over 1 year old, well, it seems that the two children grew up together and are like a real sister. Xiao Xiao is clingy and likes to hold her sister's hands while sleeping. Well, they've been reminiscing the fuss. At this moment, Wenshan and I set up extracurricular interests, class, and tutoring classes to make a living. It was also at this time I discovered that Wenshan was really powerful person, but also has failed on something. The only thing that the cooking skills are real terrible. She really learned the dishes. Well, on that time, they really live well, although they're really working hard. She can sing a little opera and she is good at calligraphy and Chinese painting. She also well versed in sketching, violin, piano, and ballet. Well, you go out and teach your daughter. Well, it seems that Wenshan is the one who's also tutoring the children. Well, but for Shusha, she's been the one who's taking in charge in the family. Come and eat. It doesn't matter if the child can learn it. I'm doing patience, but I always want her to know your name. Well, when Suddenly said to Shushao, it seems that I'll take Julian to the hospital, and you and Jojo stay at home and wait for me. We can contact each other by phone. I'm with you. When said to Shushao, this beauty lasted until the New Year's Eve of the following year. Well, it seems that on that time, this is the last time that they really can see each other. What should you do if you go to Chow Chow? Besides, it's cold outside, and there are so many germs in the hospital, and it's uncomfortable to be sick at home. Of them kiss each other before they really separated. Now finally Shushao has been arrived, and also Yulan said, Mother, well, it seems that Shushao, she got really worried about Wenshao, that's why she came here. Yulian, do you want to go and sleep for a while? I will guard Chow Chow. Yulian, she got really worried, but also for Shushao, she got really worried about Wenshao. I'm also here waiting for Chow Chow to wake up. I have something to say to you. Well, Julian, she seems to be in Fassel. Also, she got really worried on Wenjo's condition. Julian suddenly said, It's okay, Chow Chow. She will be scared if she wakes up and she can see me. Well, still, she looks really sad and also she got really worried about Wenjo. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!